everyone, I'm Patrick Shocker from Yachting Magazine, and I have a question for you. What is luxury? Well, in its strictest definition, luxury is abundance. It's comfort, it's great ease, and it's a sumptuous environment. To that end, Balise Pontoons is bringing luxury to the pontoon market with its Horizon Tri-Toon. You know, oftentimes it's the little things that define luxury. And on the Horizon, one of those things is this wheel. This wheel was actually designed by Italian race car driver Max Papis. So it has the look and feel, it also has the handling.
When it comes to the helm, the Horizon has an easily viewable 12-inch simmerhead display.
Details, details, details. Those are the things that separate the Balise Horizon from other boats on the market. This vinyl seating right here is 25% cooler than your typical marine vinyl on the market. Trust me, your legs will thank you. You know, one of the unsung heroes on this boat is this acrylic windscreen right here. When we were moving at speed before, it did a great job of blowing the breeze up and over, keeping you comfortable while you're at the wheel. In addition to the entertainment platform that this boat is, it's also a really fun driving experience. I'm sitting here at the helm, I got the electric steering, and earlier we took this thing out, we were doing figure eights, donuts, 30, 38, this boat will do it to 350s.
For those looking for a little more performance, there's also a 400 available.
You know, the comfort equation is really important when boating, especially when you're going to be out there all day. And the Horizon hits the mark in several areas. One is this seat and the helm seat. When you're in the shoulder seasons and it's a little cool outside, both this seat and the helm seat are heated. Now on the flip side of that, you want to keep your drinks cold. So we have a cup holder here to port and one to starboard that are both chilled with the press of a button. Now in addition, you want to have your guests all have a place for their drinks. There are 14 more cup holders on this boat. We have 10 that are fixed, and we have 4 that are movable. But in addition to that, we have 6 phone chargers on this boat. So everybody's phone will stay at the ready when it's time to take that picture and capture the best moment of the day. Some boats are built around a hull form, some are built around performance. The Horizon from Balise Pontoon was built around a custom-designed 4D premium audio sound system. You won't see a speaker on this boat, and there are 8 of them. You can even option to have 12. But it is one of the hallmark luxury features of this boat. The stereo system offers a clean aesthetic as the speakers are tucked away. So in addition to having a very clean look, you also get incredibly clean sound. You have 3 control modules here. You can control the system off the Simrad. You have another fusion control over at the port side companion seat. And we have a third one on the aft deck. So if you're sitting on the hook and you're having fun in the water, you can control it from there. Additionally, there are 4 zones for this system, so you can have a separate experience up at the bow than you do at the aft deck. The comfort on this boat is seen in many ways. One is one we're seeing right now, and that is the bimini top. Right now on this hot day in Merritt Island, we're very grateful for it. But did you know that with the push of a button, this shade can come down if you want some more sun? Or if you want more shade, you can actually add a sunshade to the forward section of the boat. You know, this boat is really about having fun with the family, and that includes getting in the water. And to that end, Balise has thought of everything. This after deck extends 2 feet, and in addition, there's a lily pad ladder with gently inclined steps and a wider tread to make it easy and safe to get in and out of the water. You know, you really need to see this boat at night, because another feature on this boat is that it has LED lighting everywhere, whether it's around the cup holders, in the deck, under the deck, outside, and you have 7 variations of lighting. You can mix and match any which way you like. A trademark feature of the Horizon Tri-Toon from Balise is indeed its profile.
Whereas most pontoon boats have aluminum rails, the Horizon has a fiberglass structure.
And the design has an actual shear line that flows, sweeps down forward aft, and then it completely flows downwards into the tubes. These powder-coated tubes are standard, and one of the other things, they're not just for form, they are for function. There are running strakes, just like you would on a typical power boat, that help reduce the hydrodynamic drag and improve performance. The Horizon is chock-a-block with features. We don't even have time to go over them all, but let's go over some of the few that are really interesting. We have pop-up lights to set the mood when the sun goes down. We also have a seating arrangement option. Currently, we are on the C option. From amidships forward, it would remain the same, but aft we have chairs. In the L option, we then get a lounger. And with the lounger, that's offset to port, which gives us a walk-around space to starboard, which then creates a galley. And speaking of galley, you want to eat on board. Over here on the starboard side, underneath the chair, we have a pop-up teak table as well. Additionally, we have the deck. Super comfortable woven deck. Comes in 2 color options.
And speaking of color options, the interior vinyl we have here comes in 4 color options.
This boat is filled with clever accents, and one of them is the Balise logo. They call it the lantern, and it's easy to see why when you take a look. This is artfully and tastefully sprinkled throughout the boat, whether it's the weighted pillows up forward, whether it's the boarding door to port, or even the transom gate aft. You'll find it everywhere. There are a few more, but I don't want to spoil it for you. You have to come on board and see where they all are for yourself. You know, buying a boat is equal parts passion and practicality. Add in the luxury touches, and you have a really complete thought. Thank you very much for spending time on board the Horizon by Balise today. I'm Patrick Schock from Yachting Magazine, signing off for now. Stay tuned for more, because more is coming.